Are you a student preparing for JEE Mains? Do you want to ace the exam and get into your dream engineering college? Then look no further because our JEE Main course is designed specifically for you. Our course provides you with comprehensive study materials, video lectures, and practice tests to help you prepare for the exam. My name is Pradeep Agarwal. I completed BTech from IIT Kanpur in 1987, awarded the NTSC scholarship, and topped the National Mathematics Olympiad. While teaching for JEE, I struggled to find good books on physics that are conceptually strong and at the same time easy to understand. I decided to write books myself, and after 10 years of research, I developed 6 volumes of advanced learning physics. During my research, both my children used only my notes developed for the books and no other physics book or any other material. My son topped the country in physics in JEE Advanced. My daughter and my many other students were also among toppers in JEE Advanced. All 6 volumes of Advanced Learning Physics are available on Amazon. At Pradeep Agarwal Academy, students are mentored to solve complex problems quickly and accurately. They are encouraged to feel free with their problems and doubts. They are helped to always remain inspired and motivated. Students of classes 11th and 12th are first mentored for the NCERT syllabus. Each chapter after coverage of NCERT is then followed by mentoring for JEE Mains level problems. Apart from offline course available in Gurgaon, we also offer online classes that are interactive, easy to understand, and as good as offline classes. Recorded lectures are also available to students who miss the class for any reason or needs to review the lecture again. Our students have a proven track record of success, with many of them achieving top ranks and getting admission to prestigious engineering colleges. Join our JEE Mains course today and take the first step towards realizing your dream.